In motorsport, Eureka Racing. Now, unlike most of the teams competing, these guys have put their car together on the smell of an oily rag. They're dedicated motor racing enthusiasts. The bank thinks they're building a house. Their neighbours know only too well they've been a brand new VK 4.9 litre Commodore.
It's been a few late nights and a lot of running around getting last minute things. You get a car to this stage, you think it's finished, and then all of a sudden you find all these little things that need to be done, and so there's a bit of a mad panic on.
It's very much a team effort, with all members having their 2 bobs worth on how the car should be prepared.
What are we going to do with this accelerator pedal, Dave? Well, we're going to make that steel.
Some motor racing teams will spend $20,000 on tyres alone this weekend. The Eureka team won't have that luxury.
We've got 2 sets. We've got one set to practice on until Saturday afternoon, and we put the new ones on for Sunday race day.
But as Dick Johnson can tell you, some of the best memories of motor racing are of starting out.
As guys, they enjoy themselves, I'm sure, an awful lot more than we do, because they can go home and say, well, listen, I've just blown the last 3 weeks' wages, but or 3 months' wages, but, you know, we've had a ball.